Hello, guys. This is Akin Farmer, the Great Shield stock and crypto investor. I'm happy to be here again tonight just to quickly share some information I found interesting today. Today is October 30, 2018, and I'm excited to share some good news about uh, XRP, Ripple XRP. I'm always excited to talk to you about Ripple XRP. As always, I'm an evangelist for XRP. I like to share information and news that I find on the internet with all my fans out there and anybody trying to get into the crypto space. Just a disclaimer: this is just a fun video for myself. I use this video just to educate myself and just to put some information out there for those that are just trying to learn and get some information about the crypto space. So don't take this as an investment advice. This is not a legal advice. Uh, do your own research before you invest or decide to invest in any cryptocurrency. So don't take this as an investment advice. It's just a fun video, educational and informational video. So let's get right into it. Today, I found this interesting article about how cryptocurrency is actually expanding and getting to other parts of the world. And I've always said it. Africa is an emerging market, and I believe it's going to contribute to the growth of cryptocurrency sector. And this article, and just like I said, I'm originally from Nigeria. I'm also an American citizen of America. So I'm always excited when I hear good news about Africa as a whole, especially Nigeria. I'm always drawn to my country, Nigeria, where I originally came from. So this article is about Quidax Exchange. This is a European exchange called Quidax, and it says right here, Quidax Exchange launches blockchain and cryptocurrency education operations in Nigeria. So that's an exciting article. Let's open that up. And I will encourage you to read this at your own spare time. But this is good news. Quidax is an exchange platform. I've never tried it out. I don't use Quidax. I use Bitstamp and Uphold and Circle. But I'm gonna check Quidax out and see if I can open an account with them as well. I'm always excited about digital assets. So it says Quidax Exchange launches blockchain and cryptocurrency education operations in Nigeria. This is huge. Let's just read some lines here. A cryptocurrency exchange based in Europe, Quidax, has launched its digital asset exchange in Nigeria, aiming to educate the residents about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. The exchange will allow users to buy and sell 6 cryptocurrencies, which include Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ripple. I'm excited for Ripple. As always, I'm an evangelist for XRP. The platform will, however, expand to support more than 20 digital currencies within the next 3 months. So, the future is bright for Quidax in Africa. As long as Quidax is starting off in Nigeria. I believe Nigeria is the most populous Black nation in the world. A lot of population, and I'll show you something real quick, which is I feel like Quidax actually made the right decision to start off with Nigeria in Africa, because I know starting off in Nigeria, it's great and it's a big market. Um, so let me show you something about Nigeria. If you're not familiar with Nigeria, if you're just hearing the name, or you don't really know much about Nigeria, this is probably the reason why Quidax decided to get to Nigeria first and expand from Nigeria to other parts of Africa. And this article is a great news for Ripple XRP because it's also going to have a lot of new investors, be able to trade Ripple XRP alongside with the other five cryptocurrencies. But Ripple XRP, I'm excited for that. So let's see, Nigeria has a population of close to 200 million citizen people, according to this worldometers, which is this is live. You can see the population is counting up, is increasing by every second. So it's about 197 million in population, and it's Nigeria happens to be the most populous nation, the most populous country in Africa, and the most populous Black nation in the world, where they have the most populous Black people. It's Nigeria, and that's close to 200 million people. And let's see some statistics here. So the current population of Nigeria is close to 200 million as of yesterday. Nigeria population is equivalent to about 2.57% of the total world population. That's huge, which makes Nigeria ranked number 7 in the list of countries by population. So it's huge, number 7 in the world. And here is another piece that excites me, and that's why I feel like Nigeria is a very good market or landscape for cryptocurrency expanding to Africa. 51% of the population is urban population, meaning people that live in the city, more educated people. So I grew up in Lagos. Lagos is a big city. It's just like a smaller version of New York. And the total percentage of population that live in the urban area in Nigeria is, more than half of the population. And see, this is interesting here. And the median age in Nigeria is about 18 years old. So they have a lot of young population, young population, which means that these folks are educated. They live in the city. They have access to internet. They have access to cell phones. So it's a great market for cryptocurrency. And I feel like Quidax made the right decision to go to Nigeria first and expand from there to other parts of Africa. This will bring a lot of account on their exchange platform. And just look at the historical, population of Nigeria. And this is the forecast. And you can see in 2020 right here, the population keeps going up. And then the median age still remains very young till like 2050. And the population keeps going up. So I feel like this is exciting for cryptocurrency market, expanding to Nigeria and expanding to Africa. So this is great news. It's great news, and I'm excited that Ripple XRP is part of the 6 digital assets that is being traded on Quidax. So that's one piece that I really wanted to just share with you guys out there. And if you don't know about Nigeria, I just quickly ran through some statistics for you, which is great. And the other article that I just want to share today before I conclude with this video, this one also came out like a few hours ago. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and crypto market outshines global stock market, aiming for historic reversal. If you're very familiar with the stock market, I'm an investor, stock market investor and crypto asset, digital asset investor. So stock market for the last 3 weeks has been correcting itself or on the down, in the bear mode. It's been going down, meaning, it's been in the red. Crypto market stable while global stock market seeing red, meaning that stock market, the Dow Jones Index, S&P, they've all been going down for the last 3 weeks. Some folks on the Wall Street are saying the market is just correcting itself, but we don't know where the bottom is. So a lot of folks are selling off right now. There's been a lot of sell-off for the last couple of days, a couple of weeks, but we see how stable the crypto market is. So on the long run, I feel like even when the stock market crashes, just like we experienced in 2008, the crypto market is where a lot of investors will run to because it's been stable, because all these institutional investors will look to where to put their money into. So I feel like there are exciting times to come in the crypto market. I'm excited for the future. So look at it, Bitcoin, has been trading around 64 to 6,700, for a couple of months now. So crypto market has been stable for months, while we've been experiencing a down movement of the stock market in the bear mode. So I feel like this is positive news out there. If you're familiar, if you're in the stock market and in the crypto market, and you can see the difference. So I'm very comfortable with the crypto market. So I feel like this article, you can read more about it and see how the comparison with the crypto market and the global stock market. And Quidax is a great digital asset exchange. Let's just bring that up. And I don't have an account with them, but I think I'm going to open an account here on Quidax as well. So this is how it looks like. Buy and sell Bitcoin, and these are all the other digital assets they have: Ethereum, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Gold. So I feel like it looks like a very simple, straightforward exchange platform, and I hope it's gonna do well in Africa, especially in Nigeria. So the future is bright, folks. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Click the thumbs up button, like my videos, and share it with friends and family. I'll be dropping another video tomorrow or so, but just make sure you do your own research. This is not an investment advice. Do your own research, educate yourself, and be comfortable that the future is bright for the crypto market. I'm excited, and I'm an evangelist for Ripple XRP. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll be dropping another video tomorrow. Good night, guys.